Okay, here's an unboxing of Magic TrackPad 2, Magic TrackPad 2 from Apple. So let's do an unboxing with this trackpad. As usual, incredibly nice packaging from Apple. Very nice, as you can see. Beautiful, clean package. Beautiful. And here we have the trackpad itself. As you can see, really nice in white. What's more in the box? Well, we have a charging cable and we have some instructions and so on. Really nice. And nothing else. Empty, as you can see. So let's see how the trackpad itself looks. As you can see here, really beautiful packaging. You just drag in this and then it's out. Beautiful, as you can see. And here on the back side we have the lightning port to charge it and connect it the first time via Bluetooth. And here we have an on-off button. And here we have some for the Bluetooth connection. Okay, so I will use this together with my Magic keyboard, my Apple Magic keyboard, and it will fit nicely with each other, as you can see. Very nice. So this will be nice to have in my studio. Okay, bye.